It's tiring and it's a roller coaster, and it's also a lot of it is very discouraging.
This is Debbie Ferrari speaking about AB 5, a law that goes into effect on January 1st. She works at a trucking company in Hayward called Mac Trucking, and she's worried how the law will affect her company. The law intends to ban employers from misclassifying their workers as independent contractors when they actually should be employees. But the law also restricts some legitimate independent contractors and their employers in the trucking business.
And the impact is that it virtually eliminates the ability of owner operators and truck brokers to have any relationship without the owner operator being an employee.
Employee drivers usually drive company trucks, but it's tricky for truck companies that work with workers who already have their vehicles, who are known as owner operators. Starting next year, truck companies will have to cut ties with them or tell them to become employees, which most likely means they can't keep their vehicles.
They had a truck already when they came to us, and now the bill literally wants us to smash them out of business and force them to be an employee, and life isn't supposed to work that way in the United States.
Truck owner-operators who work as independent contractors by choice also say they do not want to become employees. Some truck owner-operators participated in a grassroots protest from November 4th to 6th against the bill. They gathered in front of assembly offices across the Bay Area with posters that read, AB 5 ruins lives.
We love being independent contractors and going out there and working and doing our jobs. But it seems like it's in threat.
Protesters said they invested a lot of money into their trucks, partly to comply with the state-mandated requirements for newer, cleaner engines. They may have to sell their trucks if they were to become employees.
So a lot of these truck drivers have invested, some even invested in their life savings, $250,000, $300,000 plus in new trucks. And now, all of a sudden, they're told, we no longer want you to be an independent driver. We want you to be an employee.
If they don't become employees, they'll have to constantly search for clients who can give them jobs, rather than going through a trucking company who finds jobs for them and dispatches them.
I was going to stake everything into going into business for myself. I've been in business for 10 months, and this bill will put me out of business in January.
For some, being an owner-operator and being an owner of a business have been a dream.
That American dream of being and having the dream that you want, they're literally taking it away.
This is not to neglect the fact that there are plenty of misclassified contract truckers who should actually be employees and have access to their benefits and rights. A UC Berkeley Labor Center report shows that certain segments of the industry are especially riddled with misclassification. On the other hand, the legitimate truck owner-operators, who invested in their own trucks and managed their own work schedule, want to keep their rights to work as independent contractors. They hope for an action that would allow them to work the way they always have.
Not looking forward to January 1st. It's going to be a sad Christmas for all of us, I heard.